The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost, specifically designed for road cycling, is an innovative product that caters to the needs of cyclists seeking comfort and performance. With its lightweight aluminum alloy construction and a unique suspension system, this seatpost aims to enhance the riding experience, particularly on rough roads or long-distance rides. After testing this product extensively, here is an in-depth review that covers its features, performance, installation, and overall value. First and foremost, the construction quality of the KINEKT suspension seatpost is impressive. Made with high-quality aluminum alloy, it strikes a perfect balance between being lightweight and durable. Weighing in at just under 600 grams, it does not add excessive weight to your bike, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize speed and efficiency. The anodized finish not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also provides an additional layer of protection against corrosion and wear, ensuring this seatpost will maintain its integrity over time. One of the standout features of the KINEKT seatpost is its innovative suspension system. It incorporates a patented mechanism that allows for vertical movement, absorbing bumps and shocks from the road. This feature is particularly beneficial for riders who frequently traverse uneven surfaces, as it significantly reduces the impact felt on the lower back, legs, and seat. The post has a travel range of up to 30 mm, which is more than adequate for most road conditions, and provides a smooth transition over potholes and rough patches. During testing, the difference was palpable. The enhanced cushioning allowed for longer rides without the discomfort often associated with traditional rigid seatposts. Installation of the KINEKT seatpost is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The post is compatible with standard 27.2 mm diameter seat tube fittings, making it easy to swap out with your existing seatpost. The included manual provides clear step-by-step instructions, and the process took only about 15 minutes. The adjustable suspension settings allow riders to customize the firmness based on their weight and riding style, which is an added bonus. After a few adjustments, I found the perfect setting that catered to my personal comfort while still maximizing responsiveness. Performance-wise, the KINEKT seatpost excels in providing a comfortable riding experience. On longer rides, the reduction in jarring sensations from road imperfections keeps fatigue at bay. It not only absorbs shocks but also redistributes pressure across the seat area, making longer rides more enjoyable. I found that I was more focused on the scenery and my pace rather than the discomfort of the ride. Additionally, the post retains its responsiveness, making it easy to maneuver and control, which is crucial for road cycling. However, the KINEKT seatpost isn't without its drawbacks. While the suspension mechanism is a standout feature, it requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Riders need to periodically check the tension and ensure that the moving components remain well lubricated. This might be a consideration for those who prefer a more low-maintenance bike setup. Additionally, some may find that the added weight, in comparison to a traditional aluminum seatpost, may not be ideal for racing-focused cyclists who prioritize every gram. Aesthetically, the KINEKT seatpost boasts a sleek and modern design that complements contemporary road bikes. Available in various colors, it allows for some customization to match your bike's color scheme. The design is minimalistic, without any unnecessary bulky components, which many cyclists appreciate in a market filled with over-engineered products. In terms of pricing, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost tends to be on the higher end compared to traditional seatposts. However, considering the enhanced comfort and performance it offers, many cyclists may find the investment worthwhile. It is designed for serious riders who spend significant time on their bikes and want to improve their overall experience. To sum it up, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost provides significant benefits for cyclists looking for comfort during their rides. Its innovative suspension design, coupled with lightweight construction and easy installation, makes it a compelling choice for road cyclists. While it does require some maintenance and comes